Well, guys, I decided I need a better heater. So I went to Harbor Freight, picked this up. I already opened up the top, cut the wrap here off of it, and peeked in it. Then I decided I'm going to make a video. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but it comes with the regulator for the propane. The sort of that's a wrench to tighten that to it. The instructions. Nothing else in there. We'll pinch that off to the side. Yeah. And I got off work a little early. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And came out here. It's cold. So we're going to hurry up and get this thing hooked up. See if we can get some heat rolling in here. See, I don't even know how long this thing is. Probably says in the directions, huh? It looks like about 6 feet or so. Yeah, I'd say about 6 feet. But I'm going to set this up on the bench and we'll get the thing hooked up. We'll give you a little bit of a look-see. It's a BAUER 30 to 60K BTU forced air propane portable heater. So let's see what we can accomplish here. Try and get this line kind of straightened out a little bit. It's been sitting in the garage since yesterday. I bought it yesterday, since I had yesterday off work, and it's cold. So it does have a cap where the feed is, and that's what this wrench is for. So we'll just use that. I don't have to dig through my wrenches. There we go. And then get my tank over here. This has a cap on the end of it. It's a regulator. And it's a reverse thread. Just to let you know. Make sure it's tight. Don't want no leaks. Okay. And by the way, I got this on a Black Friday deal, even though it was on a Monday, but I got it on a Black Friday deal because I put it in my cart on the website, and then plus I got 10% off, so I paid like $79 for it, and it's originally $99. But this is the gas valve, I guess. I don't know if that's and then your adjustment for your temperature. But we are about ready to fire this thing up. It's just that easy. Let's see, I'll face it away from my toolbox, so at least we ain't gonna torch that thing. And open the bottle. I think that's an igniter. That's what that is. Gas valve? No. Is it on the other side? Yes, it is on the other side. So we'll turn it up about that's all the way on. Turn it about halfway. Yeah, okay. You got your on switch. There's the fan. Try to feed it gas. Maybe I should read directions, huh? You push in on it. If you hold it, you probably got a rheostat. Yep. Then you let it out. Yeah. Nice. That has the directions to your schematics, your warnings, hazards, some more warnings. But I'm going to set this thing off into the corner and we'll see how well it works. And go, I'll show you the thermometer in here and what time it is, and see how long it takes to heat this space up. Okay, I moved it down here onto the floor. This is what time it is. It is 2:36 or so, and right there, really can't read it because it's so faded, but it's saying around 48 or so, right there, 48. So we'll keep an eye on it, and I'll bring it back whenever it starts getting decently warm again. Now you guys are probably thinking, why the hell is he running that thing inside? It's gonna kill you. Yeah. I'm telling you right now, just from it running for probably less than 5 minutes or so, maybe around 5 minutes, that it's changed the temperature in here drastically. Just in this area here. I don't know, I haven't been over by the garage door. But my plans are real soon. I do have a air conditioner for summer. This used to have a window behind it. You can see the frame. That's where, but they built it in and sided it. I am thinking of putting which would be a good thing, putting it in a exhaust vent or somewhere there, or up in the peak of the roof on this side of the garage. I was going to add on, but that wasn't in the books, but just to put it in an exhaust vent, so whenever I'm running something like this, I could turn that on and exhaust the air and still get fresh air in here. Okay guys, I turned it down. You can probably tell by the sound of it. It's almost all the way down to where it's quiet. I like that. Here's where we're at. We're almost at 10 to 3. And over here, I'll show you. We're touching 65, almost, and rising. I walked over toward the door, and yeah, you can tell a little difference in the temperature, but not much. So that very short amount of time, it heated this place right up. Just to give you guys an idea, right there, that's your valve. You gotta push that in and hold it. When you hit the igniter switch, this is your your gas level. It's almost all the way down. You hear it building up. That's all the way down. And then on the other side is your ignition switch and your on and off switch, which we're going to shut it off right now. And I'm going to shut the gas off. And I'll show you, it's 8 minutes till, 10 minutes till, somewhere in there. And we are at 68 degrees. Very comfortable in here. Now let's talk about this a little bit. This is the BAUER, part numbers 19161P-B. Made by BAUER, Harbor Freight exclusive. Heats up to a 1,350 square foot room. Up to 10 hours of operation. That says in the manual on high for 10 hours. So that's pretty dang good on a 20-pound bottle. Got the variable heat control with the knob, which I like that. The hose was 10 feet, not 6 feet, so it's 10 feet. So with a regulator, which that ain't bad at all. 30K to 60K BTU forced air, which is the fan, 110 voltage. Here's your specs. Ignition is continuous spark. So the cord length is only about 9 inches, but you've got to run an extension cord. Very light. I mean, it's very light. So, but if you guys are in the hunt for a cheap heater, those propane, the kerosene torpedo heaters are expensive. Plus you got to buy the kerosene, which kerosene's right around 4 something a gallon. You can exchange a 20-pound bottle at a store for about 20 bucks. You can have it filled for less than that. If you already have a bottle, go get it filled. I don't know. It's probably half the price, close to half the price. 10, 15 bucks to fill it. And if you get a deal like I got, 10% off originally $99.99, 10% off is $89.99, and I got with a Black Friday discount. Plus I'm a member, so that helped. But for the price and for the time that they heated up this garage, I cannot complain. That's going to be great, because before I was using my buddy heater, as you see in some of the other videos, propane. I'd go into the house, I'd come out here, start it up, go into the house, and I'd have to stay in the house for an hour or so until it heated up in here. So I'm using propane, and that's on high with the buddy heater, for an hour or so just to come out, and it's just knocked the chill off. I can't complain. Run this thing for 10-15 minutes tops, and we jumped from 40 something. I have to review the video. I'll put it up here, what we went to, from what temperature to 68 degrees in the amount of time. But yeah, that's a heck of a deal. But hey, if you like this stuff, subscribe. Click the like button. Give me a comment. What do you guys think? I try to reply to all my comments, and it's a good way for me to find your channel. But yeah, give me Give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. And we'll see you on the next adventure.